Hey everyone, and welcome back to another ClickFix tutorial. In this video, I will guide you through getting the Google Play Store on your PC, laptop, or Chromebook. We'll use Windows 10 for this demo, but don't worry, it'll work just as seamlessly on all other devices. Let's get started. First, open up your web browser. I'm using Chrome, but feel free to use whichever browser you're comfortable with. In the search bar, type Google Play Store and hit enter. Click on the official link that appears at the top of your search results. Once you're on the Play Store page in Chrome, click on the three vertical dots at the top right corner, go to Save and Share, and then select Install Pages app. You can give it a personalized name before clicking Install. As you can see now, we have added a Play Store right into desktop. It's opening and working fine. For Edge users, go to the Play Store page, click the three horizontal dots, hover over Apps, and choose Install this site as an app. Rename it however you like, and then install it. You can pin this shortcut to your Start menu or taskbar, totally up to you. And that's it. You now have the Google Play Store at your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, do me a favor and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to ClickFix tutorials for more helpful guides. If you have questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll be glad to help. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial. Take care.